Welcome to our guide on how to withdraw money from Kraken to LSSC. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of the process. First, let's get a quick overview of the withdrawal process. It's straightforward, and we'll highlight each necessary step. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account using your credentials. Make sure you're on the official Kraken website for security. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the withdrawal section in your account dashboard. It should be easy to locate. Step 3. Select the currency you wish to withdraw. Make sure you're choosing the correct one compatible with LSSC. Step 4. Carefully enter your LSSC wallet address. Double-check to avoid any mistakes that could lead to lost funds. Step 5. Ensure you confirm the withdrawal amount. Make sure it meets any minimum requirements set by Kraken. Step 6. Take a moment to review the associated fees and processing times so you're aware of any additional costs. Step 7. Now, complete your withdrawal request. You should see a confirmation screen indicating your request was successful. In conclusion, withdrawing from Kraken to LSSC is straightforward if you follow these steps. Remember to always prioritize security.